I'm going to show you how to use the Tonex One like a mini pedal board with overdrives, fuzz pedals, delay, chorus, etc. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Tonex One with the big box and use the Tonex One as an overdrive, distortion, fuzz, whatever. I'm going to show you how to use it with, so it toggles between 3 different overdrive pedals. So as you see, I have it plugged in and it's hooked up, as you could see. Well, first, if you don't know how to hook it up, USB and all that, I have another video called Tonex One Complete. So watch that first on how to hook up your Tonex pedal. Anyways, so what you're going to do is, if you want to save all your profiles that are in your pedal, they're all right here. These down here are outside ones that are not in your pedal. So if you want to save what you have because you like it, or let's say you've already edited these profiles, just go up here to this little gear here, hit here and hit export audio, put it and name it right there, and hit save. And then you got that. You could always go back and hit this again, hit import, and then go to wherever you saved it as and click that and hit open, and it'll repopulate your pedal with all the original profiles. So I've already done that. So you're going to go down here and scroll until you start seeing the pedals. So let's find some cool pedals to try out. Let's see here. This is a clon. So let's put that in 1. Overwrite. And there it is. And then let's go to something else here. How about TS808? Let's give that a shot, and let's drop that into B. Let's go back down, hit overwrite, sorry. Let's go down here and let's put a fuzz in C. So drag and drop up the C, overwrite, and there they are, 3 pedals. So the blue, let's make the clon gold, or somewhere close to gold yellow. And let's make this one green, so we know that's the 808. And then the fuzz here, let's I think it is already purple. Purple's a good idea. Fuzz. And that should do it. Let's go back down to the pedal, and we're going to hit Alt and the foot switch at the same time, like so. Boom. And now we have 3 overdrive and fuzz pedals in there. I don't know if this is showing it right, but that is purple. So purple. So there's the clon, there's the 808, see it's blinking, and there's the fuzz. So I'm going to use this patch here. It's a Supro. Let me show you something. We're going to go back to the stomp box mode, which is C here. So I'm going to hit Alt, foot switch again. Now our bypass. Let's hear what it sounds like by itself. let's go back into Stompbox mode. Well, let's go back into, let's go back into this mode. So now we're going to have Klon, 808, and fuzz. So let's start with the Klon. So with any stomp box, you can adjust like this. You can adjust the gain and the output. So if the alt light is solid, this is your volume knob on the Klon. And let's crank that up, see what happens. Let's crank up the gain. Now we'll crank up the gain. Cool. Now let's try the 808. Try dropping the volume back, volume down. Kind of responds like a fuzz, pretty good. So with the volume back, it cleans up, back up again. Volume down. So you got 3 overdrive pedals you can toggle through. 808. Let's see if the 808 cleans up. Drop the volume back. Oh yeah, nice. Now that's somehow I would run this. I love the 808. I love the Tube Screamer, vintage Tube Screamer sound. So I would run this like that as my main sound for rhythm and everything, and then use my guitar volume for when I want to jump up. So back the volume down, you know. You get the idea. Back up again. If I want to just run it in A-B mode using 2 different overdrives, I could just click when it's one of these are blinking A or B, that'll put it in A-B mode. So hold down Alt and foot switch, and now you got Klon and 808. Klon and 808. Well, like I said, here you got 3. You got your fuzz. So say you can run it in clon mode for your rhythm, 808 for maybe a little more aggressive, and fuzz for fuzz sounds. So and obviously you could have the clon at a lower volume for your rhythm. So that you get a volume boost when you go here. There we go. Yeah. So again, let's take that even down further. Way down, just to show you what I'm talking about. So again, you could run it like that, so we have all 3 of these pedals available, or you could just run it in, again, in AB mode. Hold Alt and foot switch down. Now you got clon, 808. So let's put some delay on this. Let's go in here, scroll, there it is, delay power, on. Ah, there it is. Now we got delay. Clon. All right, so just like the amp profiles, you see we're in Librarian here. And by the way, I'm not connected. I'm just using this to add new profiles in. So if we go down here, there's the 808 that I'm using in B, and we go to Home. There it is. And now I can go up here and I can add modulation in with this pedal, delay, reverb, so on and so on. Although I prefer reverb and delay to be on the amp profile because it's going to be smoother sounding. But we added delay, we added modulation, and then you need to come up here, save it, right here, 808DH I call it. And I'm saving it to my Rock Rig folder. Hit save. Okay. Now I go back up to Librarian. And there it is, 808DH. And I'm going to drag it up to B, drop it in, override it. Yep. And now we got this. And the clon does not. The reverb you're hearing is in here. I added some on in the pedal onto the Supro. Then overweight. Has delay and chorus. Also note that if you don't have enough delay or the chorus is too much in this, you can always go back. See, it's highlighted down here. Always go back to home. And there it is. See, right there. And go up here and adjust your delay accordingly. And then go here again and save and overwrite the preset. Save and overwrite it. Go back to Librarian. And you'd go back here, and there it is. And just drag and drop it in. Hit overwrite. And now you're going to hear it in your pedal. So, and you can keep doing that until you get it right. So you never have to actually play through the software and hook the whole pedal up and all that. Just an easier way to do that. Anyways, hope that I made that clear. Okay, I am running this into my Marshall DSL and using the fuzz. Here's without it. Ready for this? And quiet. It has a little noise gate on it. Here's the volume roll back, front pickup. Hey everyone, Luke and Fish and I would like to ask you to hit the subscribe and like button below. It'll help us move this channel along. Thanks. Well, that's all I got. By the way, IK Multimedia is not paying me to do these videos. So if you'd like to help support this channel and send $5, there's a link below. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.